Wow, amazing! Ciao, what's your Chef Paolo? Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. So today we're gonna make one of the most important base of our Italian cuisine, okay? Bechamel sauce. Bechamel sauce is one of the most common and famous sauce we use for another base of preparation of so many different type of dishes. Back in the days, then the Princess Medici brought it to France. She used to call the Gluck sauce. It's a white sauce, simple, easy to make, that is really useful to cook our amazing dishes. So let's check the ingredients together, guys. We have 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of flour, and 10 times the milk. So in this case, 1000 grams or 1 kg of milk. If that was 2 kg. Okay, this is the proportion of the bechamel sauce. Then we have some salt, and we're gonna scratch some really nice nutmeg. First thing first, we take our 100 grams of butter and we melt them in our pot. Really gentle fire, guys, not too much aggressive, okay? Then in the second pot, we add our 1 kg of milk and we switch on the fire under the milk. Little by little, we add our flour and we mix. We need to avoid our sauce is not going to be smooth and creamy. Yeah? It's time to add some salt, some scratch of nutmeg. Alright, once our butter is perfectly melted, we add little by little to our milk and we keep mixing. Mamma mia ragazzi, such an amazing smell. Now, once we add the butter, we mix medium fire for let's say 5 minutes, the time we get the consistency and the thickness we like. And here we are, guys, look. Our bechamel sauce is perfect and ready. Time to put in our container. Look. Mamma mia, perfect consistency. Look, guys, you're gonna love this sauce. You can make so many type of pasta. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes, which is the oven pasta and the potato oven gratin. Wow, amazing! And here we are, guys. Look, perfect cream. Look, wow, you cannot imagine we can use this to cook so many dishes. Perfect. Make it at home and used to make so many nice recipes. Check my lasagna recipe and I'm gonna show you many other recipes you can use this super nice delicious sauce bechamel. So thank you for following and always here. Next recipe, your chef. See you later. Bye bye!